it. So let's continue for the lesson 3, chapter 2, lesson 3 topic now. Mathematical language and symbol, the language of relation and functions. Okay, let's start. What is relation in the real life situation, in the real life problem? So the relations, there are various type of relations in the world. For example, two people are considered related by blood if they share a common ancestor. So that is a relation. And related by marriage if one has a common ancestor with the other spouse. Okay. And we also refer to relationships between students, teachers, people who work for the same employer. And you, as a student, you have your relation to your classmate because you are a classmate, you are a schoolmate, diba? And you are enrolled here in this TCAS. Okay, and individuals who share a common ethnic background, so that is a relation. So in math, in mathematics, a relation is a rule that defines a connection between the elements of two sets. Okay, more formally, a relation from the set A to set B is a subset of the Cartesian product A times B, and this means it consists of ordered pairs A and B enclosed by a parenthesis. Okay, take note, enclosed by a parenthesis, where A is an element from set A and B is an element of set B. If a pair A and B belongs to the relation, we say that A, okay, you just ignore it, is related to B by this relation. And the characteristic of the relation, take note that the characteristic of the relation, we have our domain and range. Yung domain is, that is our X, and range, that is our Y. So domain, the set of all first elements of A of the ordered pairs. So you can see, meron tayong A and B dito. Yung A is our domain and B is our range. Okay? So X and Y yan. So range, the set of all second elements, B of the ordered pairs A and B. So ito yung range. Okay, yan. Okay, and in the relation. So a relation of a subset. Let's try to solve this one. Okay, let's try to solve this one. Let set A is equal to 1 and 2 and set B 1, 2, 3. So ito yung mga element ng set A, 1, 2, set B 1, 2, and 3. And define a relation R from A to B as follows, given any X and Y na ordered pair, element of A times B. So X and Y element of R means that X minus Y divided by 2 is an integer. So let's try to solve this one now. Okay, we have 3 questions here. State expressly which ordered pairs are A times B and which are in R. Is 1 relation to 3? Is 2 relation to 3? Is 2 relation to 2? And what are the domain and range of the relation? So let's try to solve this one. Okay, so let's let's try to solve now. Okay, so let A 1 and 2, set B 1, 2, 3, and define a relation from R from A to B as follows, given any X and Y element of A times B, X and Y element of R means that X minus Y is an integer. So take note, class, using this formula na given is X minus Y divided by 2 is an integer. So number 1, state explicitly which ordered pairs are in A times B and which are in R. Okay, A times B. So ito yung mga value natin, Okay, A times B. So meron tayong, okay, take note ha, A times B, 1 and 1, yan. 1 and 2, 1 and 3. Okay, 2 times 1, yan. 2 times 2, yan. And 2 and 3. Okay? So, yan. So let's try to solve now using this formula x minus y divided by 2. So let's try to solve the first element, no, enclosed by a parenthesis, which is 1 and 1. Okay, 1 and 1, ito yung x, ito yung y. So 1 and 1 is an element of R. So because using the substitution method, no, ito yung x, di ba? Ito yung x, 1 yung x, yung x is 1, ang yung y is 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So 0 divided by 2 is 0. So take note, si 1 and 1 ba, yung 0 ba is an integer ba? Okay, yes. 0 is an integer. No, lahat ng negative, 0, and positive number is an integer. Okay, so element yan. So check. So 1 and 2, so second element 1 and 2 is not an element of R. Bakit is not an element? No? Bakit hindi siya element? Because 1 minus 2 divided by 2, 1 minus 2 is negative 1. No? Divided by 2, 1, negative 1 half. Take note class. Negative 1 half is rational number. No? So, walang rational number po, no, dito sa ating integer. So, it means not an element siya. Okay? So, yan. Mali. 1 and 3. Third element na po. 1 and 3. No. Ito ko nangyari sa no. Okay, next is 1 and 3. So, 1 and 3 is an element of R. Bakit element siya? So, using the formula, x minus 1 divided by 2, yung x natin is 1, yung y natin is 3. So, 1 minus 3, negative 2. Then, divided by 2, negative 1. Negative 1 is an integer. Check. Next, 2 and 1. So, fourth element is not an element. Bakit hindi siya element ni R? 2 minus 1 divided by 2 is 1. 2 minus 1, 1, and 2, 1 half. So, bawal po ang fraction sa may integer. So, not an element of R po. Okay, so, mali. 2 and 2 is an element of R. So, fifth element. No? Bakit element siya? So, 2 minus 2, 0, divided by 2, 0. So, check. Check. And 2 and 3 is not an element of R. Bakit hindi siya element, no? 2 minus 3, negative 1, divided by 2, negative 1 half. Negative 1 half is a rational number po. Hindi siya integer. So, it means x po. Okay, so yung correct answer lang po, no, sa may set of ordered pairs, no? Ito yung mga elements ng ordered pairs is ang correct lang po dito is na maging integer po using the x minus 1 divided by 2, 1 and 1, 1 and 3, 2 and 2. So, mali na lang uban. No? So, mali na yung iba. Okay. So, Bisaya na ako. So, next. Okay, we're done, no, in number 1 question. Number 2 question. Is 1 relation to 3? 1 relation to 3. Is 1 relation to 3? Yes. Yes, no? Kasi, pag i-substitute mo yung 1 and 3, yung result niya is negative 1. So, yes yan. No, so, 2 relation to 3. 2 relation to 3. Big no. Okay? Kasi negative 1 up yung sagot pag 2 relation to 3. So, no. So, next, 2 relation to 2. 2 and 2, 0. Tama. Yes. Okay. So, only 1 and relation to 3 and 2 relation to 2. Not 2 and 2 relation to 3. Okay, next. Number 3. What are the domain and range of R? Now, what are the domain? So, the domain of R and the range. So, balikan natin doon sa ordered pairs, no? Balikan natin. So, ito yung mga domain, yung first element sa may ordered pair, yan po ang mga domain. Okay? Ito po yung mga range yung naka-check, no? Okay? So, the domain po is Okay, yung domain dito is 1, 2. 1 and 2 lang po, no? Yung range is, ano yung range dito? 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so yan lang po, no? Yung sagot. Okay, so range is 1, 2, 3, and domain is 1 and 2. Okay, tingnan mo lang doon sa may ordered pairs, set of ordered pairs. So next, function. So what is a function? So function is a relation where each element in the domain is related to only one value in the range by sum rule. Okay, basta function, only one value in the range by the sum rule. And the elements of the domain can be imagined, okay, as your input. No? That is your input, yung domain, to a machine that applies a rule so that each input corresponds to only one output. So, every input, okay, there is a corresponding, no, only one output in every input. So, to be called a function. And a function is a set of ordered pairs, x and y, such that no two ordered pairs have the same x value but different value, y values. Take note, class, that yung function po, maging function po yung set of an ordered pairs, of an ordered pairs, if and only if the x value is not repeated, no, or unique x value. Okay, so for example, okay, so this is an example of function. Okay, so in a table of values, diba, using the table of values, we can graph the Cartesian plane, no? As you can see, yung mga x variable po dito, yung x value po dito is hindi na repeat, no? Walang repetition of numbers. Okay, walang repetition of number. So that is a function. Okay lang po na mag-repeat lang ang mga value ng y values, no? The y values, basta hindi lang mag-repeat yung x value. Okay, to be called a function. Okay, ordered pairs, as you can see, di ba, yung -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2 is very unique yung mga x values. So, it means function yan. In the graph naman, dapat, using the vertical line test, only one point lang po ang mag-intersect. Bawal na ang duha ka point. So, to be called a function. In the equation naman, no, dapat yung y value is walang exponent na 2. No? Walang squared yung y values, no, y variable. Kasi pag mag-y squared na siya, yung graph niya is naka-circle na, no, or naka-oval. Using the vertical line test, mag-intersect na siya into 2 points. So, hindi na siya math. Okay, take note ha, basta equation, dapat yung y values is naka-exponent lang ng 1, no, para to be called a function. So, let's try to solve this one. Bakit function? Yung first set of ordered pairs, bakit function po, no? So, take note that the x value, okay, this is our x value, these are the x values. Okay, diba? Take note, dapat yung function is hindi mag-repeat yung x values. Take note, walang nag-repeat na x value. So, it means function yan. No? Okay lang po mag-repeat yung y values, basta hindi lang po si x. No? Walang problema, no? Kahit anong value pa ni y, basta hindi lang babalik si x value, si x. Okay. And the set of G, no, set of unordered pairs of G, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 3, 7. Take note, ito yung x value natin. Okay, take note that the x value is nag-repeat. So, hindi na yan mag-function. So, it means not a function. No, not a function na yan. Okay, basta bumabalik na si x. Okay, hindi na yan mag-function. Okay. 1, 3, 2, 6, 3, 9, and n, 3, n. So, take note class, no, 1, 3, 2, 6, 3, 9. So, it means, yung kasunod dito is 4, 3n. So, 3 times, okay, wait lang, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 times 4 is 12, no? Okay, so yung kasunod dito class is mga unique variable na. So, it means function na yan. Okay, using this formula na naka-pattern na yan. Okay, next naman, using the graph, no? 1 to many, many to 1. Wait lang ha. Wait lang. Many to 1. Okay. So, ito yung mga graph, no? Ito po is 1 to 1. And 1 to 1 is still a function po, no? 1 to 1 is still a function. Okay, function po yan. 1 to 1 correspondence is function po. So, next naman is ano yan? Many to 1 or 1 to many? So, yung isa is many to 1. So, that is many to 1. No? Many to 1. Okay. To 1. So, many to 1 correspondence po ito. Okay. Still a function po. Okay, so yung mga value ng x is hindi bumabalik, no? Next naman is 1 to many. Okay? 1 to many is not a function. Not a function. Not a function. Okay? So, yan. Not a function yan. Kasi yung x is bumabalik, no? Repeated values yung x. So, what is a vertical line test? Okay, the vertical line test is a visual method na used in mathematics to determine whether a graph represents a function, if and only if every vertical line draw to the graph intersect it at most once. So, take note ha, dapat yung using the vertical line test is yung line na vertical line, no? No, nakatindog siya, no, nakabarog. Okay, this because is in a function, no, each input or x values must correspond to exactly one output or y value. So, using the vertical line test class, no, ito po yung mga graph natin. No? Let's try to solve this one. No? Using the vertical line test. Pag vertical line test, only 1 point lang po ang mag-intersect. Okay, let's try to ito yung graph ha, na naka-curve, no? Parang wave, no? So, using the vertical line test, diba? Yung intersect niya is only 1 point lang po. Diba? Nag-intersect lang siya only 1 point. So, that is, basta mag-intersect in only 1 point. So, that is function. Ito naman yung isa. Yung isa. Ito na line, no? Nakaslide. Okay, using the vertical line test, okay, using the vertical line test is only 1 point lang po ang intersection niya. So, function po ito. Next, using the vertical line test, itong naka-curve, no? Ay, naka-letter U na line. Curve. So, yan. Only 1 point lang po. Function po yan. Ito, yung circle, function or not. Pag 2 points na po yung intersection niya, means not a function. NF na yan, no? Next naman ito. Ito. Yan. Function or not. So, not a function yan. Okay? Not a function. Okay, kasi nung intersect siya, only intersection niya is 2 points po. So, that's it, no? So, next, no, let's try to evaluate, no, y equals 2x plus 1, yung equation. Take note, ha, basta walang squared, yung y value, function yan. No, walang exponent na 2 yung y values. Function yan. ito, mayroong squared, no? Yung y values, not a function yan. No? Mag-circle yan. Circle yung graph niyan. Ito, function. Still function. Function. So, let's try to evaluate, no, the function. So, q of x is equal to x squared minus 2x plus 2 at x equals 2. No? So, using the substitution method lang, no, lahat ng x value po dito is substitute nyo into 2 minus 2 plus 2. No? So, 2 times 2, 4. Negative 2 times 2 is negative 4. No? Plus 2. So, ano yung sagot dyan? No? Is positive 2 na lang. Yan. And that would be all, no, for the function and relation. Okay?